Hey guys, this is Sandy from Sunday Page. Very good evening. So we got a huge response for Bank Nifty intraday strategy without indicator, as well as Nifty intraday strategy without indicator. Got a good response. Thanks a lot. So today we're going to see another different topic without indicator stuff. So because I'm keep on researching and we got a lot of researched a lot and observed a lot, so I'm going to talk about today about that. So please subscribe my video. This is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my video for more updates. And if you want 90 to 95% accuracy in your calls, in all the stuff, so we are providing a lot of training to make daily profits as 1,500 rupees. And this is my Telegram channel, so you get given a lot of calls, weekly basis calls. You can do that. This is my Telegram channel group. So let's get into the topic. So today this strategy is nothing but this is a pure intraday strategy without any indicator. I'm not using any indicator because I can handle both technical as well as fundamental as well as the number theory. This kind of concepts based on comes under number theory as well as without indicator stuff. So this is a topic. This is a strategy. So I took a JSW Steel. See the market. See the 21st May. Kindly observe, don't skip the video and watch the full video. Then when you get this concept, and please do back test. I'm not a SEBI registered. Okay. See this candle, high and low. This is 21st May, Thursday's candle, last candle, 5 minutes candle, 5 minutes time frame, last candle, 3:25 p.m. candle. See the high and low, 169.95 and 169.50 as a low. So the coming 22nd May, it got the low got broken, right? The low is 169.50. The low got broken, right? So mark this low. So once the low, that means that once there's a kind of gap down, see this low. The low is 165.80. Once this low broken, go for an entry and keep the target as 1 rupee or 1.5 or 0.5%, all the stuff. So this is a concept. This is a pure concept. Please repeat once again. See the last candle. See the last candle, last 5 minutes candle. See the high and low. Next day, which side breaks? The low gets broken, right? The low is 169.50 the previous day, and the present day low is 168.80. And once the low gets broken, I mean, there's a kind of gap down, right? Once a gap down happens, go for a sell entry. But this is a scenario, it breaks the high entry, it gives the high entry, it breaks the high entry also, but we are concentrating on the low broken, so we're going for a sell side. See, almost this low is like 165.80, almost the low is like 163.50, almost like close to 2 rupees target. Yeah. Okay, see the previous day candle. I'm going for again previous day time frame. See the 20th May. See the high and low. So high is 171.20 and low was 170.90, and next day the high got broken, right? The next day high got broken, right? 173.20. so it's a kind of gap up, right? So the high got broken, so we're going for a buy entry. Once this high gets broken, see in this candle the low first gets broken and next the high, so we need to focus only on the high as per the strategy, as per the rules. So 173.20 is the high that gets broken at this around 11:20. So 173.20 is the entry, so keep it as buffer as 5 to 10 paise. So your entry would be 173.30, and see the high almost 174.85, almost you got 1 rupee 50 paise. Okay, this is a strategy, and go for the again one more stuff. And okay, this is a beautiful scenario. See, in this scenario, your high also kind of gets broken. The high is 169.80, low is 169.35 the previous day, and both the stuff gets broken, right? Both the things gets broken, so you should not consider this. You expect at least you need at least a kind of gap up or gap down, a clear gap up or gap down. Okay, don't just avoid this trade. See this trade again, you got a clear trade. 18th May, that is on last Monday, and see the gap, it's 163.25 and one low is 162.80, and 163.25 gets broken and almost you got 168.25. That is on 19th morning, first 5 minutes candle. See the high 168.25. Once this the candle, first candlestick gets broken, so 168.25 is your high, and probably you get buffer as 10 price. 168.35 is your entry. See the high. Wow, 172. You got 4 rupees profit, man. This is a strategy. This is a, you expect, you should, the strategy should expect at least a clear gap up or gap down. If you're the first 5 minutes of the first day candle, in the morning candle, if it gets broken both the sides, either high and low, then you should not consider that as a trade. You should expect either clear gap up or gap down. That is, a clear gap up in the sense the high gets broken, or clear gap down, the low gets broken. That's a strategy. So this is a strategy. This is an intraday strategy without any indicator stuff. So if you like this video, please like it. If you have any doubts, please comment it. If you need 90 to 95% accuracy of your calls, or you just want to learn the strategies, because you just want to learn strategies, all things, you can approach me for classes, and we will provide the classes in a clear manner. You can book the daily profits as 1,500 rupees based on investment. So stay tuned to Sandeep page and have a great day and stay safe. That's very, very important. Take care. Bye bye.